Dear students, screw gauge based next problem. Here there are 50 division on the head scale of the screw gauge, and the screw advances 1 millimeter for 2 complete rotation. So find the least count of the given screw gauge. So in this question, number of head scale division is given as 50, but the screw moved on the pitch scale 1 millimeter for 2 complete rotation. Okay, not single rotation 1 millimeter, but okay, here for 2 complete rotation only 1 millimeter is moving. So for 2 complete rotation 1 meter now, what about 1 complete rotation half millimeter? So indirectly given. Okay, for each complete rotation only 0.5 millimeter. So this is given question. Okay, shall we find the least count now? First I can write given value in this question. There are 50 division on the head scale of the screw gauge. So number of head scale division is given, that is 50. And the screw advances 1 millimeter for 2 complete rotation. Okay, for 2 rotation, the distance moved on the head scale is, that is for 2 rotation is 1 millimeter is moving. Therefore for one rotation is half millimeter is moving, that is 0.5 millimeter is moving. Okay, therefore now we are going to find the least count. So the least count solution, least count is equal to pitch value divide by number of head scale division. Therefore least count equal to, here the pitch value is, that is 0.5 millimeter divided by number of head scale division is, that is 50. Therefore I can write least count equal to, this is 0.5 divided by 50, we can write 0.1 divided by 10 millimeter. So this is equal to, least count is equal to, multiple and divide by 100 we can get, multiple divide by 10 we can get 1 divided by 100 millimeter. So therefore least count is equal to 1 by 100, we can write 0.01 millimeter. So the least count of the given screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. So the same question I'll do one more way. Actually for 2 rotation is 1 millimeter, for only 1 rotation 0.5 millimeter. Okay, that only I consider as pitch value. Suppose I am going to find the pitch value with the formula. So how to find the pitch value? You know the formula is distance moved on pitch scale divided by number of rotation. Therefore pitch value is equal to distance moved on pitch scale. Distance moved on pitch scale, how much? 1 millimeter is moving. Number of rotation how many? 2. So 2 millimeter, 2. So 1 by 2 we can write 0.5 millimeter. Therefore pitch value is equal to 0.5 millimeter. So now we found the pitch value. So that pitch value only I can apply the here, that is 0.5 millimeter. Then after that, as usual, same steps. So we can get the least count is equal to 0.01 millimeter. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Thank you.